day 2 of our Chicago little shindig trip. We left our hotel. It's like 9, almost 10 right now. So Robbie had made reservations at this place called Wildberry Tavern. So it's gonna be like breakfast, brunch type of food. But right now we're gonna head over to TJ Maxx and just do a little bit of shopping, and then I think we're gonna head to IKEA after breakfast. And then our Legoland reservation is at 3 p.m. or 3:45? 3:30. And then after that, I don't know if we want to get something else to eat, but then we'll be heading back home. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. But yes, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for much more coming on my channel. But yeah, let's go. Well, just like that, plans changed again. We're heading to Ross. We're from Sacramento, so Ross is like one of the big places that we like went to shop. If there's anything you need to know about me, I am a budget junkie. I love to save money, so I like Ross, and I haven't been to one in a while, so we're gonna head in and see what kind of deals we can find. It is $24.99. There's 2 of them. He looks so cool. I like this mini bag. This is cute. Original price $45. Sale price here $17.99. Pulled up to Wildberry, which you can see where we stayed over there. What does it taste like to you?
Orange juice with berries in it. It's good.
Yeah? It says all parties have a seating limit of 75 minutes. I can see why, because they're pretty busy. If you don't make a reservation, it looks like it's pretty hard to get in. So I'm really glad Robbie was able to find this place. I had no idea that this was even a good place to go, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it looks pretty promising so far.
Yeah. Your pancakes look bomb. I got this. That's my crepes. Robbie got a breakfast burrito. That shit look good. The food came really fast too.
I thought it was gonna be a minute.
Yeah, it was literally like 10 minutes, not even. Is it good? Oh my god, this is so good. Like the crepe itself has like sweetness to it, but everything else inside adds like the savory. There's ham, sausage, bell peppers, and cheddar cheese. So good. Like look at the cheese.
Look at it. You got a pancake taco with fruit chocolate inside.
Yummy. You're so smart. Tej really killed all his pancakes. This is amazing. Like That meal, I definitely thought we were gonna spend much more, but service was really good. The food was amazing. I highly recommend this place. It's so good.
I'm not even trying to gas that place up, but for the price that we paid, it was only $40. So, I mean, $40 for 3 meals that were actually pretty delicious.
They were like big meals, so like you can definitely share the plates if you wanted
The
to.
kids' pancakes had like 6 pancakes,
Yeah.
small pancakes, but had a whole bunch of fruit.
And that was only $8. So Taj got
Had a full breakfast burrito
6.
full of
Yeah.
turkey sausage and eggs.
Definitely.
They
So
didn't like hold back on anything.
if you're here in Schaumburg, try the Wildberry. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. You will not be disappointed. The Wildberry orange juice, it's freshly squeezed, so it was very fresh and very good too. I didn't get to try everything else on the menu, but I'm pretty sure you won't be disappointed because I wasn't disappointed in my meal at all. I think I'm gonna have to move here. They have everything.
All in the same area.
You know. If you don't like IKEA, we can't be friends. Okay, what is Disney World thing? Can you also book a trip for Disney Cruise? Perfect. So we left IKEA and now we're going to Homegoods, but there's just so much in this plaza where Ravi's like, yeah, we're gonna be broke because there's just so much to see. There's Homegoods. I've never been to Bloomingdale's, but it's the outlet store for Bloomingdale's. You got the Container Store, which I want to check that out. Ravi, how does your wallet feel? I know, we haven't really, it seems like we spent a lot, but we haven't really been spending. If the most we've been spending on is food, but I mean, that's nothing new.
Now you gotta choose. Which one do you want? Starbucks or Domino's? I knew you would choose that because we don't get to have it all the time.
Excited to go there. This one is. we gonna get on a ride?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyone is willing to help rescue the princess.
Fun on the ride?
Yes, my legs hurt.
Yeah.
You did too?
Yeah, you're working now.
So now we're just in line for the Lego 4D cinema. I don't know how long it is, but this will probably be the last thing we do here. That was a really fun experience. Now we're just gonna find some stuff to eat and then head back home. 3-hour drive. That was so much fun. We're gonna head on out now, grab something to eat, and hit the road. We're here at White Castle before we leave. I want like 4 of the double cheese sliders.
I'm just getting number 8. Come with 10 original sliders, 10-piece cheese and rings, and 1 sack of food rolls.
Thank you for making that help you.
Can I have a number 8, please?
Shit, sorry, lady. 10 burgers. We can definitely do this. Challenge accepted? If you don't like cheese on your fries, we can't be friends because
That's all we need for it.
yeah.
You're crying if you don't get cheese on your fries.
Cheese on fries, huh? Lick it. Hey guys, so this is pretty much the end of my vlog. We're just now getting gas. We have a long journey ahead of us. Well, it's only 3 hours. But yeah, so I will leave everything, all the restaurants and hotel and everything that we stayed at in the description down below. I will be happy to answer any other questions that you may have, also in the comments. So feel free to hit me up. If you want to see more videos or vlogs like this, super random and just spontaneous, what we do randomly, please let me know in the comments, and also give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!